Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install Family Link protection on your child's Realme GT Neo 3 device. So, firstly, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's phone. So, open Settings, scroll down, click Users and Accounts, click on the account you want to delete. Click on the function button, remove account, cool. Now click add account, and now you need to log in into the child's email, into the child's Google account. But if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you use child's account with a password that only you will know, or just ask the child to change his password. So enter child's email, enter child's password, click next, I agree, scroll down, click accept, cool. Now go back, click Google here, scroll down, choose parental controls, get started, child 14, next, wait a while, choose child's account here, and now you need to link your parent's account to this child's account. So log in into your parent account, enter your email and password, then click next, scroll down and confirm child's account again. Click agree, hello, click next, scroll down, and click next. Scroll down, click next, skip, and cool. Now go back to the home screen. So cool, now install Google Family Link application on your device, on parent's device, log in into this account with the linked parent's email, and cool, now just reload Family Link application, and here you will see just add child's account. So click on it, and cool, as you can see we have full control of the child's phone. We can block his device, we can block separate applications. For example, how can I block separate application? To do it, click more, and for example I want to block TurboVPN application. How can I do it? So click more, find here TurboVPN application, or YouTube, for example. Click on the sandwich, click block, and cool, as you can see Google was successfully blocked. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.